Mobile data collection using ODK is one of the most cost-effective and efficient method of data collection. It is cost-effective because there is no need for printing of questionnaires, and also there is no need for data entry because the data collected is already in digital format. It is efficient because there is no need for data entry. Therefore, it saves time for data entry. In fact, the quality of data collected using ODK is top-notch, especially when it is properly designed. And the ultimate aim of any researcher is to collect data in the most cost-effective and efficient way without compromising the quality of the data. For this reason, at Ecosphere Analytics, we design a video tutorial on the use of ODK for conducting field surveys. We partitioned the video into 10 episodes. In episode 1, titled Introduction to ODK, we explain what ODK is, and it is ecosystem, that is the terminologies used in ODK and the components of ODK. In episode 2, episode 3, and episode 4, we explain how to transfer questions from the paper questionnaire, like this one, to a standard form in Microsoft Excel called XLS form. We also discuss and demonstrated on how to use what is called form logic and step patterns in the XLS form so as to increase the efficiency of data collection and also the quality of the data. In episode 5, titled How to Create Account with Kobo Toolbox and How to Upload XLS Form, we explained and demonstrated on how to create an account with an ODK aggregator such as Kobo Toolbox, and also how to upload the XLS form created. In episode 6 and 7, we explain and showcase how to install and configure mobile data collection apps such as ODK Collect and Kobo Collect. And we also explain and demonstrated how to collect and submit data to Kobo Toolbox, that is the ODK aggregator. We also explain the third way of data collection, that is the use of a web link called Enketo web form. In the 2 episodes, we went ahead to review some of our form logic, that is what are used for increasing the quality of and efficiency of data collection, where we set some questions to be mandatory, that the form cannot be submitted unless those questions are filled. We also set some rules. For example, this age, we set a rule that the age should not exceed 90 years, so any value above 90 cannot be accepted. By doing this, we are increasing the quality and validity of our data. In episode 8, titled Navigating Kobo Toolbox, we discuss on what the Kobo Toolbox entails. That is the different pages, like the summary page, the form page, the data page, the settings page. So we explain in details what each page entails. In episode 9, titled Data Monitoring Using Kobo Toolbox, we explain one of the key features of Kobo Toolbox, that is the aspect of data monitoring. At the comfort of your room, at the comfort of your office, you can be able to monitor submissions made by enumerators. You can even filter submissions made by each enumerator by using the unique enumerator code. So you can monitor the submissions made by that enumerator and highlight some gray areas, if any. You can also monitor the overall submissions made for each enumerator and the kind of responses for each of the questions. And finally, in the last episode, episode 10, downloading data using Kobo Toolbox, we explained how you can finally download your data at any point in time or after the conclusion of a survey. We explained the different formats you can download your data, where you export the data first and then you finally download the data. So this is the data collected, your data for the commencement of analysis. So in summary, in this video tutorial, we explain right from design of your questionnaire down to how you can download your data in a digital format. So as we said, there is no need for printing of questionnaires because the questions are designed in a digital format, and there is no need for data entry because the data is also in digital format. So that is why we said it's one of the most cost-effective and efficient method of data collection. Therefore, are you a student, be it undergraduate at final year, or master's student or PhD, or you are an independent researcher, or perhaps you are working in an organization? So any of these three in the area of agriculture, education, social sciences, environmental sciences, public health, humanitarian aid and global development, or any other fields that entails collecting of data, then this course is for you. Therefore, you need to upgrade yourself, rush and grab this opportunity.